Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best card scraper woodworking that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the sharp burrs and honing card scrapers. The scraper burnisher is a must-have tool for woodworkers that is designed to create sharp burrs on card scrapers. It features a 6-inch steel rod with a hardwood handle, making it sturdy and durable. The burnisher is perfect for working the edges of your scrapers without any give, allowing you to produce clean and smooth wood surfaces by scraping the wood. It is easy to use. Simply tilt the burnisher slightly to one side of the scraper and run it along the edge repeatedly until you achieve the desired burr. With this tool, you can easily make your surfaces extra smooth and ready for finishing. The scraper burnisher measures approximately 11.5 inches in length and comes with a hardwood handle and steel ferrule. Moving on at number 4, we have the Therwen burnishing tool set. The Therwen Scraper Burnisher and 6PCs Multi-Shaped Scraper Set Burnishing Tool is a highly effective tool for woodworking. It is designed to comb burrs or uneven edges on scrapers, resulting in clean and smooth wood surfaces. This scraper set is superior to other grinding tools and is ideal for various woodworking projects. The burnisher is easy to use with its simple design and comfortable wooden handle. It comes with 6 different shaped scrapers made of sturdy carbon steel, suitable for different jobs and projects. Whether you need to work on flat, curved, or beveled sides, this set has got you covered. With the Therwen Scraper Burnisher and 6PCs Multi-Shaped Scraper Set Burnishing Tool, you can achieve professional quality woodworking effortlessly. At number 3, we have the 6PCs Multi-Shaped Burnishing Set. The Therwen Scraper Burnisher and 6PCs Multi-Shaped Scraper Set is an effective tool for woodworking projects. It includes a scraper burnisher that helps make the wood surface clean and smooth. The set comes with 6 metal scrapers in different shapes, allowing you to tackle various jobs. The wooden handle provides a comfortable grip and enhances efficiency. Operating the tool is simple and produces desired burrs for a professional finish. With 1 burnisher and 6 scrapers, this package provides everything you need to complete your woodworking projects and create well-made furniture. At number 2, we have the Woodworking Cabinet Scraper Set. The Card Scraper Woodworking Cabinet Scraper Set is a versatile tool primarily used for smoothing wooden surfaces. It can also be used to remove rust, old stains, or paints in order to prepare the wood for new creations. This set includes 3 different scraper shapes, providing a wide range of applications. The curved scraper, concave, convex scraper, and rectangular scraper are all 0.031, 0.80 millimeters thick, making them ideal for creating bright and horizontal surfaces. Made from premium quality carbon steel, these scrapers are highly durable and resistant to wear. It is important to note that the scrapers require sharpening before use. Overall, this scraper set offers a practical and efficient solution for woodworking enthusiasts. And finally at number 1, we have the versatile and durable cabinet scraper set for woodworking. The Rock Tools 6% Cabinet Scraper Set for Woodworking is a versatile and durable product that helps in removing tool marks and preparing wood surfaces for finishing. It provides a smoother finish compared to sanding, as it shaves wood fibers to create a silk-smooth surface. The set includes 6 hand scrapers with different cutting types, making it suitable for various woodworking projects. It is important to note that cabinet scrapers require the user to learn how to sharpen and create a burr before use. The product may come with a protective oil layer to prevent rust, which should be wiped off before use. With a customer rating of 4.25, the Rock Tools Cabinet Scraper Set is well received by customers. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, Please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.